Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add the screen pulse effect to your videos in CapCut PC. So I have this video here. I'm just going to adjust the frame ratio real quick. Then I'm going to select the effects tab here. You're just going to type in screen pulse in the search bar and hopefully it will come up. So it is this one. You're just going to grab it and you're going to apply it into your video. You can adjust the strength here, you can adjust the size as well, and you can also adjust the speed. So I think to the right will make it faster, to the left it will make it slower. You can again adjust the size here if you don't want it too much, and the strength as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!